guys, right now we are live in Kansas City, Lenexa.
Story time about Jimmy's first time in the snow. I was 16. Ava and I went out to shovel the driveway and Jimmy was supposed to help.
Yeah.
Before Christmas.
You wish you come before Christmas?
Yeah. Oh, white Christmas would have been so fun. But
Right now the weather is very crazy, so you gotta stay home and be safe. You don't have to drive outside because you can see the dogs are cold right now, okay?
Nixie.
We're building the snowball.
It's just cold.
Have you tried snow before? So we're going to slide. We're going to slide down on the hill. Our neighborhood is covered with the snow.
It's kind of fun.
Guys, so welcome to Jimmy's adventure. Today we're receiving a big storm of snow. So as you guys can see, the snow here is crazy. You can see. What can you say on the camera today
This
for
coat makes me look fat.
the snow?
I wish it came before Christmas.
You wish it came before Christmas?
Yeah. Oh, white Christmas would have been so fun. But
That could be white.
yeah, going and excited.
Right now the weather is very crazy.
Ready?
We're gonna try to beat the snow. Ready?
I don't know if it's packing snow though. That might be the problem. It's very powdery.
Hold it! Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment.
It's about to look like a snowman again. There's not getting in my clothes. Okay, story time about Jimmy's first time in the snow. I was 16. So I think you were
I was
20
like in
21, I
21,
think?
yeah.
Yeah. So, Ava and I went out to shovel the driveway and Jimmy was supposed to help. But he had never seen snow before, so he was really excited.
Yeah.
So Ava and I are over there shoveling the driveway and Jimmy built a snowman.
It was a huge snowman.
It was huge.
I can show you the picture in the video. I'll show you the picture, but it was just huge snowman, and it was the first huge snowman that I've ever built for entire my life.
But I bet if you look in the background of that picture, you'll see Ava and I shoveling the driveway.
It was crazy. So hopefully today, if we have a lot of snow, we are going to build that snowman again. Maybe this one is gonna be a huge than the one where we built, right?
Yeah. Do you think that we have carrots in the fridge for its nose?
Maybe we can try that.
Yeah.
Go.
It's kind of fun.
Let me try. Ready? No face.
It's my mom's. I don't have a coat. Chief's gloves, Chief's hat.
I'm retired
I just found
firefighter.
these.
I work in the firefighter. You can see my suit.
Alright. And your goggles are from Smith.
They're from Smith.
I got these gloves. They're from Head. I don't actually know if that's the brand name. It says
Yeah,
Head
it says
on
head.
it.
It says head.
Oh, we got the same ones.
Yeah. Tiny jacket.
Yeah, it's
Are you
kinda
cold?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, I'm pretty cold. And then these snow pants. And then my hat is KU and my scarf is Chiefs.
The biggest storm, the biggest snow that we haven't received in a while. So it's exciting but also sad because right now the roads are really bad and you can't drive. And you can see it started snowing last night and it's a storm with the wind and it's really bad. So let's see this. You can see driving is really bad. Look how bad it is. The whole car is covered with a bunch of snow. With the wind It's icy.
Dad, that's really fun. Just run and slide.
Come on, man. Hey, come on. Come on.
She
Come on.
likes
I gotcha. Nixie, come here.
Come on, buddy.
Ready, baby? Wait, I'm trying that again.
Come on, Nixie. Come on. Come on. I don't know if you can hear me, but I got the slide. So we're going to slide. We're going to slide down on the hill. And it's windy, but yeah. This is where we're going to slide. Down there. I think I need to set the camera a little bit down there so I can capture a good angle of the video. Go!
It's too deep. We're better.
Hurry! This is the moment of the truth! Oh! Bye guys. We're going for one more time. It's cold. My hands are freezing. It's pretty cold. So I'm going on another time. Alright, ready?